Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Instagram icon. Instagram newly released new icon you can actually use. As you can see on my screen right here, beautiful different kind of designs, colors of icon. You can actually change it, so really amazing. As you can see on my screen right there, this is one of the icon. So in order to actually get access to these icons, you must be like below 18, which is you need 18th account for that, like your kids account or your cousin, your nephew that is not up to 18 years old. So let me show you various type of icons you can actually try. You can see them, many amazing ones. I think these are the available ones. This silver color, this slimy flower, and this purple blue kind of color file. So I'm going to show you how to actually do this. So the first step is you have to open up your Instagram account. You have to log into that teenager's account, right, and open it up just like this. So the first thing you have to do, you can see this Instagram right here. You have to press it down, like press it down, so it's going to pop this on, like you can see. So you can select any one of your choice, any color design you love. This feature is actually nice, so you can just pick this, save it, add, and you can see right here it's changed already. Would you like to try this? If this guide is helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.